Hello, today we're going to be doing an unpacking video for Canopy Plants. It's also my first time ordering from them, but one of their sellers had really good deals on a Facebook group, so I decided to give it a try. So let's see what we got. They had really good prices on their Hoyas. Ooh, peanuts. I love me some messy peanuts. But they do cushion well. Oh, look at this. Fancy. Styrofoamy. Yeah, I think these are going to come out. I doubt these are going to be damaged in any way, considering how well protected they are. I think I ordered 3 Hoyas. I don't remember. But I think all I ordered were Hoyas. Because their Hoya prices were amazing. Oh, it has the labels and the hangers, which I love because I can hang them up. This one's stuck there. Well, the label. Oh, here it is. Okay. Hoya Rosita. Wait, I thought I had gotten a sunrise. Hoya Sunrise and Hoya Nuna. Okay, so the first one that is out is the Rosita, and oh my gosh, it's so long and trailing, and it's healthy and absolutely perfect. Look, it has new growth coming in. It's absolutely perfect. The second one we got out is the Hoya Nuna, and it's also so big. They were advertised as 4-inch pots, and they are 4-inch pots. But the thing is, many places will advertise as 4-inch pots, and then when you receive your plant, it's actually a 1-strand small, or it's maybe 3 strands of small little plant that could easily fit in a 2-inch or a 3-inch. But no, this is like so big and full and trailing. It's just absolutely perfect. Overall, very happy so far with my purchase from Canopy Plants. I think it's definitely worth it to check out what else they have and order from them. Or if you're just looking for Hoyas, they had several different types, several different varieties, some not so easy to find. So yeah, it's definitely worth it to check them out. And the plants are like super healthy and very long and beautiful. I still have one more, and this was a 6-inch pot, and yeah, it looks big. Did it work? Did it work? Okay, so I think these are like the best Hoyas I've ever gotten online by mail. The soil is perfect. It is chunky, barky soil. None of that water retaining soil that they usually come in. They are very well secured with tape, rubber band, staples. It went with everything. Oh, look at this one. This one's big. It's big. It's full. Yeah, definitely worth checking out Canopy Plants. They had lots of Hoya. They had some philodendrons. They had a variety of plants. I just went for the Hoyas because it's the thing I have a hard time finding, and usually, like I said, they will sell them. They will sell, you can find a different varieties, but one little strand or a 2-inch pot. I can't get the tape out. Oh, there we go. So aside from all the cushioning they already put on in the box and this little styrofoam thing to hold it, they added some fluffy cotton there to help keep the plant protected on the inside. And so that was my haul for Canopy Plants. I am so happy. And that was all. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful blossomy day. Bye bye.